Hey guys, it's me Alex back on Essential, and today I'll be shooting a quick little tutorial on how to make a Fall Guys figure. So, to start things off, we're gonna need a strip of paper like always, but I'm trying to figure out how long. I think this big, and for this long, we'll probably do the trick. Alright. I'll be making the pink one. You can pick any. You can even make your own skin if you'd like to. And I'll be tapering it downwards because the characters from Fall Guy kind of look like they have a belly. But before any of that, let's make a hole right there. A circular hole. Like that. And then add a white piece of A4 paper underneath it. Now you can draw on top of it any character you want. Well, you don't have many options. You just, the best you can do, it would be 2 lines like this. Right, that's the best you could possibly try and make. I wish I had the other color tape right now. Right, stick that in there. The top and the bottom just for design. And this one is gonna be just like the Among Us figure we made a long time ago. Simple little figure. Cut the extra remains off. And then what I want you to do is fold them like this at the top. And then tape it from the back side. And chop off the extra bit from the top. Now you've got this thing. So next step would be to add the tiny little arms. Probably add a little belly like that. That's not necessary. Let's not make this too spiky, so we'll just press on the spiky part and squish it to make it more curved. Like that. You could even use the little pink from earlier. To cover it up. just like that. Create some folds down there, and now let's make the legs. Or should we do the hands first? I don't know. Let's do the arms first. Arms are not hard, you just need a little bit of pink AFO, and then draw on it. Fingers, 3 in total. Fold it and then duplicate it. Just like that, we have the arms. So you can put the arms in place like this. They do look like tiny penguins. I just thought about it right now. Like, these arms look like penguin wings. Alright, I'm talking too much. I need to focus. Right there. 2 fold-eye arms done. Now the legs, I don't know what I should do for the legs. Maybe just stick them there. I have one idea. I don't know if it will work out. Let's just take one of these. Like that. Sort of to create this curved body effect, because they're pretty curved and not like sharp, you know, like my Iron Man action figures or Superman figures. They're like the Among Us characters. They're fluffy, kinda. Like penguins, of course, yeah. Alright, now that we have the body, now we just need the legs. And there's a quick little trick I know for legs. So what I'm going to do is, let's take this, let's fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And then just sort of fold them like this, and just stick it right there. But instead of doing that, I'm gonna ask you to fold it into 3 steps like this. Actually, I just got a brilliant idea. We could do this, and that's like a prism, and we could use that as our leg, just like that, right? And at the front we can turn it flat, while at the back we can turn it into a triangle like this. So that's one leg. Let's do the same for the other one. Oh. One of the legs turned out a bit too big. We need to redo it again. Alright, let me quickly fix this, stick the legs to the body, and I'll see when it's done. Alright, so I added them on with some little bit of tape. That's a bit too far front, so I'm gonna fix that. There you go. There's our Fall Guy. It can actually stand up, unlike most of my other figures. It does want to slant slightly forward, but we can fix that with just a little bit of tilt. There you go, that's our Fall Guy. Fall Guys, I should say. To make sure it doesn't tilt forward all the time, let's just do that. There you go. And that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below, share the next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.